to emphasize the importance of adhering to the principles of natural justice. The case pertains to the alleged breach of contract between the appellant and the respondent, wherein the appellant has contended that the respondent failed to fulfill the terms stipulated in the agreement dated 15th January 2020. It is pertinent to note that the agreement was entered into with the intention of promoting mutual benefits and ensuring the successful completion of the agreed upon project. However, the appellant has alleged that the respondent exhibited gross negligence resulting in significant financial losses. The respondent, on the other hand, has submitted that the delays were attributable to unforeseen circumstances, including factors beyond their control, such as the imposition of regulatory restrictions and the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. In this regard, the respondent has relied upon Clause 14 of the agreement, which provides for a force majeure clause, thereby absolving the party concerned from liabilities arising out of such events. The appellant has refuted this contention, arguing that the respondent failed to exercise due diligence in mitigating the risks associated with the unforeseen circumstances. After hearing the submissions of both parties, the court observes that the dispute revolves around the interpretation of the terms of the agreement, particularly with respect to the force majeure clause. The court is of the considered opinion that a contractual clause cannot be interpreted in isolation but must be viewed in the context of the entire agreement. In the landmark judgment of Messrs. ABC Industries versus XYZ Corporation, this court had categorically held that the interpretation of contractual terms must align with the intention of the parties at the time of executing the agreement. Furthermore, the Honorable Court notes that the doctrine of estoppel may also be relevant in the present case. The appellant, having initially agreed to the revised timelines proposed by the respondent, cannot now turn around and claim damages on account of the delay. The principle of estoppel, as enshrined under Section 115 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872, precludes a party from asserting something contrary to what has been previously established as the truth in dealings with another party. In light of the foregoing, the Honorable Court directs both parties to explore the possibility of an amicable settlement through mediation. The Court reiterates that litigation should be the last resort and that alternative dispute resolution mechanisms must be encouraged in the interest of justice. The matter is therefore referred to the Mediation and Conciliation Center attached to this court. The mediator shall submit a report within a period of 6 weeks. Pending the outcome of mediation, the parties are directed to maintain the status quo with respect to the subject matter of the dispute. The court shall hear the matter further on 10th March 2025.